So hello guys, today we are going to solve problem statement number 1752 of LeetCode. Check if array is sorted and rotated. So basically from starting we will see first what the question is. Question is we have given an array named nums and we have to return true if the array was originally sorted in non-descending order. That is the ascending order from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 from smallest to the largest. Then rotated some numbers of the position including 0 otherwise return false. So if a number is sorted and if it is rotated, that is rotated means whenever we are rotating an sorted array, it first element will go to second, second will go to third, third to fourth, and so on. And the last element will go to the first one. That is rotation to the one. And the case number is k times the rotation. So we have to check if if the array is rotated or not. So basically, what we have done is we have first started from the for loop from the zeroth index, that is for the first example 3 to 2, and then we will check for the each consecutive adjacent number that is coming after it, 3 after 4, 5 after 1, 1 after 2. So it will check one by one and then give the answer. If it is there greater than nums dot I, it will give count plus 1, that is count will be added, and if it is greater than count equals to count is greater than 1, it will return false. So otherwise it will return true. So this is basically the solution of our check if the array is rotated or not. So starting with the summation. Yeah, so this is basically the solution of our question if the array is rotated, sorted and rotated. Thank you.